Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable direct messages or DMs in Rec Room. Disabling DMs can help protect your privacy and avoid unwanted messages from other players. So first of all, in order to do that, open your Rec Room application on your device, and once you're in, go ahead and tap on the wristwatch icon at the top left corner. From here, go to the settings button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. And then under game settings, go to the top of the screen and click on experience. Under experience, scroll all the way down and then look for the receive DMs from option. To turn off DMs, go to the no one option and tap on that. And after you do that, you will not receive any direct messages from anyone on Rec Room. That's how you successfully disable DMs in Rec Room and take control of your privacy. If you want to turn on the DMs ever again, get back to the same page and then you can go ahead and turn on DMs for your favorite contacts or your friends. Just make a selection according to your preference, and that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.